Hello, meet Jimmy, who wanted to increase your sales percentage and consequently his profits as well, so he decided to sell using WhatsApp because there are statistics that say selling through WhatsApp increases the likelihood of purchase by up to 50%. However, Jimmy did not know that this step would cost him a lot of money and effort. Also, there is Steve, who owns a service-selling website, and he too decided to build good customer service for his project, only to be shocked that the cost would be very high. But this is no longer a problem. Whether you are like Jimmy, Steve, or someone similar, you would have needed good customer service or chat marketing and found this step costly. Therefore, I wanted to offer a great solution for all of you. Well, you might be wondering now, what is this solution? Simply, you will get everything mentioned before without spending a lot of money and without much effort from you. All this using artificial intelligence and the Dealism website. Okay, why did I choose Dealism.ai specifically? Simply because Dealism is an AI-powered sales and customer support platform designed to automate and enhance interactions on WhatsApp Business. It acts as a virtual sales agent, capable of handling complex conversations, answering customer inquiries, and guiding prospects through the sales process, all while mimicking a natural, personalized communication style. Businesses should choose Dealism because it operates 24/7, improves engagement, reduces response times, and allows seamless integration of product knowledge and previous interactions, making customer communication more efficient and professional. Okay, after entering the website, you will find this interface. Then you will click on Get Started, and it will take you to the registration page. Here, you will enter your email and password, then repeat it, and an account will be created on the website. After registering on the site and logging in, this interface will appear for you. The site is simple and designed to be easy to use. All you have to do now is describe the product you will sell, whether it is a course, a physical product, or a digital product. Whatever you sell, the site will help you. For example, in this tutorial, I will try to sell a course that enables entrepreneurs to grow their projects using artificial intelligence tools. After I have described what I want to the site, I will click here to move on to the next stage. Here, the site will analyze your request and then ask you some additional questions if it needs more information. I will answer now and give it what it asked for. Then I will answer again so that I have completed all the questions. Therefore, the site will now begin analyzing what I have provided and try to build the way it will respond to customer questions. As you can see, the site goes through several steps. Assign a task, then learn knowledge and skills, which we have started now, then test and improve. Here, the site will test the artificial intelligence model it created to answer customers and also teach it. The final step is deploy on WhatsApp. Now we have moved on to the experimentation step, and here you will find two methods to teach your AI assistant. The first is adding knowledge. In this option, you can add files from your previous conversations, also Q&A, and you can add your product. Finally, you can add previous cases. This way, your assistant will have gathered all the required information and analyzed it to provide answers similar and consistent with your way of responding. This will ensure there is no difference between your answer and the assistant's answer, guaranteeing good results. You can also add a screenshot of your previous conversation, which is what I will do now. After this, I will click Continue to try a conversation with the assistant. After this, I will start a conversation with the assistant, and it will respond as a teacher to the screenshot I gave it. I didn't give it many details, but I will just see how it interacts with me. You can edit the answers or ask for them to be rephrased in order to teach it more. As you can see, despite the little information I gave it, it responds in a wonderful way. The mode I was using now is Manual Customer, and you can also use the Auto Customer mode. This mode will make the assistant interact automatically without your intervention. After several conversations with the assistant, and when you see that it is ready to start interacting with customers, you will come here and activate this setting so that the assistant is ready to start. Then you will go to Deploy on WhatsApp and click on Install the Chrome extension. The site will direct you to Google to download the tool and add it to the browser to start using it. Then open WhatsApp Web on the browser and go to the conversation you want your agent to respond to. Then click on the Dealism icon. The assistant will start understanding the conversation and replying. You can also switch between modes. When you set the conversation to autopilot mode, it will start responding automatically without your intervention. But you can join and manage the conversation anytime you want. Okay, there is an additional thing. When you click on Customer, you will find all the conversations your agent has had, and by clicking on View, you will find all the conversation details. In Tasks, you can see your progress. That was everything. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and activate the notification bell to receive all new updates.